In a hospital environment like Wexford General, infrastructure is under constant pressure. This multi-storey car park operates around the clock with no margin for downtime.
Our scope of the project was all mechanical services, but the biggest part of our project here was the rainwater drainage.
But beyond the day-to-day use, it's the environment that really puts the system to the test.
In a hostile environment like this, located close to the sea, we needed a product that was reliable.
So if the system isn't built for it, problems don't take long to show. To meet those demands, the team selected BLÜCHER's Europipe stainless steel drainage system. The focus was on a solution that could handle the environment, while also making installation as efficient as possible on site.
It's fireproof, it's lightweight and easy and fast to install.
The result is a system that performs reliably in an environment that demands it.
The installation was very straightforward. It was made straightforward by the product.
And once in place, Europipe delivers long-term performance, even in challenging coastal conditions. For contractors working on hospitals, car parks, or any high-demand environment, it comes down to choosing systems you can rely on. Solutions like Europipe that perform consistently and stand up over time.
100% we would consider using BLÜCHER again in the future.